Data pre-processing is one of the important concept, and you can say it is one of the tough tasks in any data science or machine learning related work. Now to take care of that, we will require some strategy to make things faster. Here we are going to talk about ColumnTransformer from Scikit-learn, which will help us to pre-process the data on different columns with different strategies, just few lines of a code. So let's get straight into it to talk about it in detail.
All right, so here is the data set. You can see that we have four columns. One is name, internship, gender, and age. You can see that, let's say I want to do encoding for internship. I want to do encoding for the gender column, and I want to do missing value imputation in the age column. So basically, I want to populate the values in this particular age column. So what we will do, we'll apply all these stuffs using only few lines of a code. So let's go to Python. And first of all, I have to import the data set. So the data set present at this location, I'll copy this path and I will import os. os.chdr. I'll give the path here and make this as my working directory. And then I will import the packages. First of all, I'll import pandas. And as of now, I'm going with pandas, and then I will use scikit-learn and import all the relevant modules from that particular package. So pd.read, it's a Excel file which we have to import. The file name is ColumnTransformer underscore data.xlsx. And you can see that data is imported. I want to do encoding for internship. Name we are not doing as of now. Gender we will have to do, and then age, I have a numerical column, so I want to make this imputation. So here is my data set, and then finally I have to import the packages from scikit-learn. So from sklearn dot pre-processing, I want to first import one hot encoder, which is helping me to do one hot encoding. From sklearn.impute, I will go with simple imputer, and the last package which I am interested in, sklearn.compose import make column transformer. These are the packages, or these are the modules I want to import, and once that is done, what I will do is I will create two variables where I will call one hot encoder and simple imputer. So let me write one hot encoder is equal to one hot encoder. I'm calling this particular module, and then impute is equal to simple imputer. So now two variables are created. One is WHENC, one hot encoder, impute, and then I will call my one more variable. I'll create one more variable, and let's say give the name as column transformer. So column transformer is equal to, I'll call this particular module make column transformer bracket. Once that is done, I will call one hot encoder, comma, which column I want to do encoding. The first one is internship, and the second column I am interested in gender. Apart from that, I want to do imputing, so I am pute is, or I can say impute, comma, I will write age column which I want to impute. Also, I don't want this particular column, which is the name column. I don't want to do anything in this particular column. So what I'm saying here is that there is an option of remainder. So here the bracket will close, comma, remainder is equal to pass through. So any other column which we are not passing, it will just pass through the column and it will not do anything on that. And then let's execute this. Something goes wrong here. So whe comma in this bracket, then impute, this also goes in a bracket, and then execute. So this was the missing bracket, and then after that c transform dot fit transform. I want to fit transform the data set which we have, and you can see that the encoding is done. These are some of the columns. So first of all, you can see I have internship column. So here I have one value, two value, three value, and four unique values we have. And in gender, we have two unique values. So if you see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the four unique values which we have. For the first column, that is internship, and the second column, which is gender, we have two unique values. One is male and female. If you want to check, we can check that. So the first record here is 1000. You can see artificial intelligence. I have only one entry. Data science, I have two entries. So record number 2, which is index number 2. So 0010, and you can see the last record also 0010. So these two records are data science. Similarly, male, if you see, this is female, this is male and male. So this value and this value should be same. So you can see here, this is 01, which is male, 10 female, 01 male as well. Also, if you see here, there was one null value, which is in the second record. You can see null here. So if you take the average of this plus this plus this plus this, take the average, it will give me 22.5. So it is populated by default with mean value. Now in the simple imputer, we can pass the strategy as well, and we can change that strategy as well. So hope this makes sense. It makes things faster. You can see that with a few line of code, we are actually doing all the columns modifications, which is for data pre-processing, encoding, and missing value treatment. Very important, and it actually makes things easy. So hope to see you in the next video with some more interesting stuff. Till then, happy analyzing.